Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing only what Subtitle Edit absolutely needs. Install Subtitle Edit and FFmpeg if you plan to handle many formats. Once done, open the video in File Open Video and enable Waveform and Spectrogram so you can see audio peaks. Next, create a new subtitle file and set the correct FPS and language. This prevents drift later. Now position the playhead at the first audible phrase and press N to create your first subtitle. Listen, trim, and set an accurate start time. Once you have the basics, focus on accurate timing and readable text. Zoom into the waveform and spectrogram to place exact in and out points. Set a comfortable reading duration, typically 1 to 4 seconds depending on phrase length. Use split and merge to fix long or short segments and rely on shortcuts like Ctrl+L or Ctrl+T to speed edits. Meanwhile, normalize punctuation, run spell check, and apply consistent casing and speaker labels so your final subtitles read naturally and match the audio flow. To finish, export and test. Choose SRT or VTT with UTF-8 encoding for broad compatibility or AS for styling. Then open the video in a player and load the file to verify timing and line breaks. If lines display too long, edit show times. If sync slowly drifts, use the synchronization tools to apply a global time shift or change the FPS setting to match the source. One key troubleshooting tip: if persistent drift remains, check the original file's frame rate and use adjust set FPS before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.